Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a text into your drawing on the ibisPaint X application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then you should select painting from your gallery, or you can also create a new one by clicking on the plus icon that you will see down below. But if you have selected a painting or a drawing and you would like to add a text box into it, just simply click on this second icon down below and tap on the text function indicated with the big T, and then you should select a part where you would like to add a text box, so click on it. And as you can see, you can type in whatever you would like to add into this text box, and you can select the font and the size of the letter as well, the style of it, background, and a background color as well, spacing, so you can select the spacing options, and basically that's it. So if you are done with adding all these information, and if you have selected them, all you have to do is saving all these changes by clicking on the check mark icon. So now you have added your text box into your drawing. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.